We would now like to introduce Mitsubishi Electric Service, IQ Care Remote for You. IQ Care Remote for You is a service using IoT technology to support production by and maintenance of electrical discharge machines, or EDMs. This IQ Care Remote for You can be largely divided into two functions, the dashboard function and the remote diagnosis function. First, the dashboard function that contributes to the production process. The dashboard function allows customers to confirm matters such as operating information and estimated processing time of their EDM at off-site areas in real time via PCs, smartphones, or tablets. And no dedicated software is necessary. Using a web browser, information can be accessed from anywhere. Second is the remote diagnosis function, which significantly reduces machine downtime. This function allows a terminal at the support center to directly access the customer's EDM to conduct a diagnosis. Now, let's see how it works. Please notice the changes on the screens at the support center and that of the customer. It looks like a customer is calling with a question.
Mitsubishi Electric Machinery Division, may I help you?
Yeah, I'm using an MV1200R. An alarm taper machining unit in fluid has occurred and rapid filling is impossible. What should I do?
I'll confirm the signals through remote diagnosis. Please press the remote service button.
Okay, hold on. I pressed it.
We're connected. I'll confirm the signal.
Thanks.
Since the customer has granted permission for connection, the support center is now operating the screen.
I have confirmed the situation. The alarm signal for taper machining unit in fluid is still on. The alarm is identified in a part called the float switch. Please check that part now.
Where and how should I do that?
I'll explain where the part is and how to check it. Please watch the screen.
Okay.
The float switch is behind the automatic wire threader at the front of the machine. I'm indicating to it with the pointer. When you remove this cover here, you'll see a black cylindrical part. The black section moves up and down. Please check to see if it's snagged or dirty.
Okay.
By using the remote diagnosis function in this way, the dedicated terminal at the support center can directly access the customer's EDM for diagnosis and quickly resolve the problem by sharing screen information with the customer. Information difficult to communicate over the phone, such as the location of a part, can be communicated in an easy-to-understand manner by using the screen.
Black part was snagged. The alarm turned off when I touched it.
I would like to check the signal. Please move the black section up and down. I was able to confirm that the signal is switching normally. The float switch can get snagged when it gets dirty from sludge. Please clean it if it is dirty.
Yeah, it is a little dirty. I'll be sure to clean it later.
Thank you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, nothing in particular.
I will now turn the remote connection off. Thank you.
Thank you.
So what did you think about the remote diagnosis function of Mitsubishi Electric's IQ Care Remote for You? By sharing the screen with the experienced engineer, clear directions can be given on where the part is located and what needs to be done, making the explanation easy to understand by the customer. Remote diagnosis shortens inquiry time over the phone and makes it possible to accurately diagnose and respond to the condition. Mitsubishi Electric will continue to use IQ Care Remote for You to enhance production efficiency. For a more detailed explanation, please feel free to ask one of our attendants. Thank you for your attention.